this is Sami Sayed, and I'm doing a quick video walkthrough of my Python sockets exploration that I did for my computer networking class at Oregon State University. This was the final project where we put into play a lot of the concepts that we learned from reading Computer Networking, a top-down approach by Kuros and Ross, and by doing the many labs that are involved in that book. So I really enjoyed it, and I hope you can have some fun with this too. So without further ado, I'll get into it. So in this case, I'm going to start the server program. It's going to listen and wait for connection. And here we see that we can start the client program. The connection gets accepted, and then the socket is bound. In this case, I've written it so that the client and the server communicate in a turn-based manner. So we can say hi, hello, and either the client or the server can start a tic-tac-toe game. Play tic-tac-toe. It does have to be printed as directed by the directions, and we'll start it. There we go. The game starts. Both players will see themselves as player X. I always feel like X is the protagonist of tic-tac-toe, but we'll see how things go. So in this case, the client hits 0, and then the server is wondering what moves they can make. They try to hit 0 again. That's an invalid response because that turn has already been made. If they hit a number that's outside of the specified range, that cannot be taken as a valid response. So therefore, the client then chooses 1. It goes back to the server chose 1. It goes back to the client's turn. The client is going to go in for the kill here. The diagonal move. The server doesn't see it. I feel like I'm narrating a soccer match. And finally, we see the game is over. The client won, and the client always talks first. Hello. Darn. And here we're going to see the client also ends the game. Great. It was a quick little project. I enjoyed going through, putting it together, learning about how Python sockets work, as well as putting into practice all those things we learned in our computer networking class and seeing them in action. This was obviously done over the local address, and so we didn't have to worry about the security concerns that you might see connecting to the World Wide Web. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You've got my contact information on my website, which is www.samisayed.dev. Feel free to check out other projects on there, or reach out to me by going to the contact page. Looking forward to hearing from you, and I hope you enjoyed my demo. Take care. Bye.